everyone. My name is Mika, and this will be my first ever YouTube video. So, in my YouTube channel, I think I'm gonna do some reaction videos and maybe some vlogs. Pero hindi ko pa alam kasi napakatamad ako. Ang tamad ko talaga. So, today, we're going to react to ENHYPEN's, kahit gusto ko yung special thing, ENHYPEN's Brought the Heat. Music video ba to? So, I'm gonna react to it. So, sabay tayo mag-react mga girlies ko. So, sabay tayo mag-react. So, mag-react tayo sa gagal naman ito. So this will be like, ikon ko na, ito ang pinaka-first ko na video sa YouTube channel ko. And sana maging happy tayo sa YouTube channel ko. So, let's just have positive vibes all the time. So, I'm going to react to gikon ko na. Kapila ko na gikon. So, I'm excited. Wala ko pa nakita ng MV. So, ayun, nakita ko na. Wait lang. Nakita ko na talaga. Oh my God. Ano ba? Official. Brought the Heat official event. ENHYPEN Brought the Heat official. So, na-release lang to 2 days ago. Ooh, may 2.9 million views na. Sheesh. Oh my God. So, mag-start na tayo ng react natin. So, let's get it. Let's go. Wala, Jungwon, naigo ko. Kakin nyo na lang tayo. First pa lang. Gusto mo singit, pero hindi ko pwede mong singit kay yawan pa, mamang pa. Sundin nyo. What? Yeah. Jealousy or obsession gonna drive me insane? Di ganito ang dating. My patience going right down the drain. Hala. Yeah. Him or me? Don't play with me. Ano ba ka-ay ka? Continue ta. Talaga, may smoke kalawas sa ulo ni Nikki. Uy, yun saan yung si Suno? Wait lang, balik. Sino ka drive ka? Hala, ikaw hiso nga, may salakaw. Gibanggaan mo si Suno. Nalakaw. O, nangara si Jungwon Char. Wala siya naglupad. Wala si Suno naglupad. Gabi naman ka. Hala.
처음 느껴보는 feeling but it's been 숨겨지지
Wait lang. B, ang lyrics. Ang lyrics? Lyrics. Ang lyrics, diba? Like, who's that guy you just said to? Why were you smiling like that? Never felt this kind of feeling, my head's spinning. Shit. Oh, ano ko yun? No. Wait lang. Wait lang. Gabi yung shock ko sa... Anong part siguro yun ni Jungwon? Yes, part yun ni Jungwon. Like, oh, like, lantawan nyo rin. Lantawan nyo. Lantawan nyo rin. Ito na, gutom na. Ito na. Ano daw? Halabi, ang sarap ay. Gabi ang may nabatan ako meow sa part ng yung hala, grabe sila. Alam nila talaga. Meow! Ay! Sheesh, look at this. Strong yarn. Ay, jealous. Oh, shit. Gusto ko power line. Wala, attack sige. Ayun. Oh, nagbabat siya. Ay! 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 Oh, wait lang. Ulit. Wow! Sheesh! Eh, gabi yung journey lang. Eh. Adyo. Wow. A long time pass. Eh, nakapoya na sila. Nagbalik na sila. Nakapoya na. Balik na sila sa blind na. Shit. Wow. It happened. You done it again. Like, amo lang ra isa ko. Ano natin you done it again. So, na-react ko na yung EXO only to say yes, official MV. Pero wala lang ko ng video kasi hindi pa ko prepare ng video to. Pero, what the hit back? It's like, MV about them being jealous. Like, jealous man. Like, katong part na nga ni Nikki kag ni Songhan. Katong, who's that guy you said hi to? Why are you smiling like that? Hey, you have some jealous issues. Like, yeah. So, sana magustuhan niyo itong video na ito at sana mag-continue pa rin ako magawa ng mga videos na ganito. So, try ko lang kung makagawa pa ako ng video na ganito. So, yes. And, maybe next video, hindi ko alam kung ano gawin ko. Basta next video may gagawin ako. So, ayan lang. And, Please stream Brought the Hit Back by official MV in Hypen. So we're already at 2.9 million views in 2 days. 2 days, babe, 2.9 million. That's amazing. Hypen is like sick. Like, they're so cool. So yep, stream in Hypen. Brought the hit back, stream it, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my reaction videos stuff sa ganun. So sana nagustuhan niyo itong video na ito, and sana will still memories and videos like this one. So kaya i-on mo yung notification mo para maalam ka kung nag-post ako. I-on mo na. Okay? So, bye-bye. See you next time.